Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing you my simple affordable skincare routine for glowing skin. So whether you're a beginner or you just prefer to keep your skincare routine simple, I'll be showing you some easy to follow budget friendly skincare products that you can use and how to layer your skincare products correctly to get the best results. So if you want that beautiful, smooth, bright, glowing skin, then make sure to stay, like this video and also subscribe because you're going to be learning so much on this channel. Let's dive right into it. Now, the first step in my skincare routine every morning is to wash my face. I like to use this K Brothers Papaya soap. So this is the soap right here. I'll put the price of this for you guys on the screen. This particular soap is a face soap. It comes in different variants, but this particular one contains papaya. There is also carrot variant for people that like carrots. It's going to help brighten up your face and it will give you that smooth, spotless face. If you're someone dealing with acne or maybe you want to maintain a smooth, beautiful, bright, glowing face, then I would advise you get this. So to wash my face, I would usually wash my face in the shower, but for the sole purpose of this video, I'll be doing it on screen for you guys so that you know how to use your bar soap to wash your face. It's not every bar soap you should use to wash your face. Get a good nice face soap. I also have a video on affordable face soaps that you can use, so do well to check out that particular video. So to wash my face, I'll be taking out the soap. I've been using the soap, like this is one soap I've been using on my face lately and it has been really working. So this is what the soap looks like. So if you take out the nylon, you will have a bar soap like so. This is what we are working with. So to use your bar soap to wash your face, all you need to do is to pour water on your face. I'm using this water in a bowl, so I'll be using that on my face. I'm going to just take a little. I don't want to make a mess, okay? So I'll be taking a little, apply it on my face. Then this is the bar soap I'll be using. This is the K Brothers bar soap. So what I would do is, since I already have small water on my hand, I will lather it on my hand first. So this is it. So this is the lather. I'm going to go in and apply that. So I like to massage in this bar soap for a minute into my skin. Then I will allow it to sit for an extra 1 minute or two before I rinse it out. If you want to get the best result out of your bar soap or your lightening soap, you need to allow it to sit on your skin for a minute or two. Don't just use your face cleanser, wash your face, and then go and rinse it out. Like, you will not be getting much benefit from that particular soap. So you need to allow it to sit for a minute, at most 2 minutes. Let it not be more than 2 minutes on your face. Then make sure you rinse it out. So I believe it's already a minute already. So I'm going to be rinsing that off. I'm done rinsing off the soap from my face. Usually I will allow my face to air dry. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be using my face towel to pat my face dry. So as you can see, let's move on to the next step. Now, as you can see, my face is already dried or patted dry. It's still a bit damp though. The second step I love to follow in my easy morning skincare routine is to use my face toner. And I love this particular Skin Doctor toner with papaya and natural witch hazel Skin Doctor toner. So it actually helps to brighten up the skin, soothe the skin, and relieve your skin of any irritations, whiteheads, blackheads, sunburn, dark spots, pimple, heat rash. This particular face toner is going to tone your face and clear any form of blemishes you have on your face. This is a very nice toner. How I usually apply this is to just take like drops of this and then apply on my face. But I already have the Skin Doctor toner in a spray bottle, so I'll be going ahead to spray that to my face. So So I like to overspray. I like to place my toner a distance away from my face because it's in a spray bottle. I spray that judiciously on my face and both on my neck. Usually, I will allow my skin doctor toner to penetrate or absorb into my skin on its own. But for the purpose of this video, you can use your hand and just dab it into your skin so that it gets absorbed very fast into your skin before I go in with the next product. So this skin doctor is a really nice toner and is actually affordable. So it's going to help brighten up your skin. Although if you have a sensitive skin, I would advise you dilute this with water or use this rose water toner instead. Now, the next or third step is to use my face serum. And I like to use this Roushun Vitamin C Serum. And I like to use this Roushun Vitamin C Serum. This is a very nice serum for anyone on a budget. It's an amazing face serum. And I love the fact that it contains 20% vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. So it's good for anyone that wants to brighten up their skin and have a beautiful glowing skin or on a budget. This Roushun Vitamin C Serum comes with a dropper. So I only use 2 or 3 drops of my vitamin C serum. Immediately I finish applying them on my face, I just work it into my skin. You can choose to dab it in or you can just apply it all over your face. So the simple rule of thumb when it comes to skincare is to apply your face products on your neck as well. Like anything that goes on your face should go on your neck, okay? So I'll be giving this vitamin C serum like 60 seconds to fully absorb into my skin before going in with my next product. Now, next or fourth step in my routine is a face cream. And I love to use this Always Bright face cream. This is an affordable face cream that will brighten and give you that beautiful glowing skin. So what I do is to take a little amount of my face cream, then dot it all over. I'll use my hand to massage it. Can you see my face is already glowing? Like this face cream is going to instantly glow your face and make it feel so much supple. This is a very nice face cream, guys, and it does brighten and glow the skin. It's a face cream I've been using for a very long time now. This is a very nice face cream. It works and I have a full review video on this. It's going to brighten your face, smoothen your skin, and give you that spotless glowing skin. Now, most people love to use face oils in their skincare routine like this vitamin E oil. But guys, I'm not a fan of face oil, especially in the day. I'm not really a fan of using face oils on my face. The next step in my morning skincare routine, once I'm done applying my face cream, is to go in with my sunscreen. So for the sake of affordability, you can get this Biore UV Watch. Is an affordable sunscreen that will protect your skin and give you a beautiful glowing skin. But one sunscreen I'll be using right now on my face is the Madagascar Centella sunscreen, and apply this to my face. So I am done applying my sunscreen. Sunscreen is very essential in your skincare routine because it's going to help protect your skin from the sun and prevent any form of sun damage. So once I'm done applying my sunscreen, the next product I love to use on my skin is my body lotion. So once I'm done doing my face care, the next product I love to use on my skin in the morning is my Vaseline body lotion. Guys, this Vaseline body lotion is one body lotion I really love to use because it's going to moisturize your skin and give you that beautiful glowing skin. So using this on your skin will give you that bright, beautiful, glowing, lovely skin. Guys, I really love to use this Vaseline body lotion on my skin during the day. So I'll just apply a little amount of that. I love to apply my Vaseline body lotion. Now, the final product I love to use in my affordable skincare routine for glowing skin is my Pears Baby Oil. I love to apply this immediately I'm done applying my body lotion. I take a little and put it all over my skin, then rub it in. I love to rub that in. Can you see the glow? Like, can you see the glow effect? I don't like to use too much oil on my skin because that to me is not really glowing skin. I don't like to pour too much oil on my skin so that it will be like glazed donuts. I don't like that. That is it for my easiest morning skincare routine. That is it on the easiest morning skincare routine. Guys, keeping your skincare routine very simple and affordable is going to make you love your skin. Like, you don't have to pack too many products in your skincare routine to have a beautiful, healthy looking skin. Just use the right products. Know your skin type. Use the right product for your skin type, and you're going to love your skin. So yeah, that is it on the easiest morning skincare routine for every beginner and affordable skincare routine for glowing skin. I hope today's video was helpful. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.